A new report is raising concerns about whether Georgia's child welfare system can keep kids safe.
And we're also learning tonight, folks, that the findings are the result of a months-long investigation initiated by Georgia Senator Jon Ossoff. 11 Alive's Grace King is going to walk us through some of the key takeaways from that investigation.
This week, Senator Jon Ossoff releasing a 64-page document alleging systemic failures are contributing to the physical harm or even death of Georgia's children.
I think the hard part is taking what DFACS is trying to learn from negative outcomes and actually converting that into better practice.
Child welfare attorney Tom Rawlings says high turnover rates make it challenging to run Georgia's Division of Family and Children's Services.
When you have a lot of people who are new and don't necessarily have the experience that we'd like them to have, then it's really hard to make sure that you are able to trust your frontline workers to make the right decision.
The Senate Subcommittee report references multiple instances in Fulton, DeKalb, and Gwinnett counties where they felt DFACS could have saved a life. But DFACS tells 11 Alive the report misused and misrepresented its internal reviews to make those claims. It wrote that it's irresponsible and counterproductive to suggest the DFACS frontline response contributed to the tragic deaths of those children.
The more that we can do to encourage workforce stability and longer-term case managers, the better we can really ramp up that effort at keeping children safe.
The report calls on state leaders to prioritize funding solutions for staffing challenges, the lack of placements, and technical deficiencies.
We need to recruit more, not only workers, but we need to recruit more foster parents. We need to treat those foster parents with dignity.
Rawlings said he'd also like to see more mental health care for kids entering the system and a reformed federal oversight program. Grace King, 11 Alive News.